It's time for your statewide Alabama weathercast.
This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Friday, the 10th of October. This is meteorologist James Spann. As expected, Alabama's weather pretty nice this afternoon, but goodness, we need rain, and the prospects of rain not looking good anytime soon. Let's begin with the upper air look across the country. Got a big upper low that's spinning west of Oregon, a ridge over the northern Rockies, the Great Plains, and here a northerly flow aloft on the backside of a little trough that's just south and east of here. And we are in a very dry air mass, the exception, a few counties in southeast Alabama, down around Eufaula. And if you look really carefully, you'll see actually a few little sprinkles on radar. So, again, near the Chattahoochee, Eufaula, a few sprinkles, and that should be it. I mean, we see no meaningful chance of rain over the weekend and through all of next week. As expected, it's cooler today. 73 in Gadsden, 73 in Cullman. Feels like fall for a change. The warm spots are down in Mobile and Baldwin counties, both Mobile and Gulf Shores at 82. We'll check the watch warning map. We have flash flood watches for much of Arizona, southern Utah, western Colorado as tropical moisture feeds north, not from the Gulf but from the Pacific. A former hurricane by the name of Priscilla that is dissipating, but the deep moisture comes up in there, so a chance of flash flooding for parts of the southwest United States. And maybe some strong storms out around Las Vegas, a marginal risk of severe storms there through tonight. Tomorrow, a marginal risk over much of Utah and some of the adjacent states. And on day 3, which is Sunday, no organized severe storms expected across the country. Rain for the next 7 days. We're just having a hard time buying a drop. And again, I know we got a few sprinkles around Eufaula today, but other than that, nothing through the weekend and through all of next week. And again, drought conditions continue to intensify. This is the new drought monitor that was released yesterday. And you can see that D3 extreme drought expanding over West Alabama. Areas in red, but we certainly need rain. But again, not looking good for the next 7 to 10 days. In the tropics, 2 named systems on the board, Jerry and Karen. And that's it. We'll take a look at the 7-day outlook. And other than those 2 features, no other trouble expected, at least for the next 7 days. And Karen is just a junk system. It's in the North Atlantic, hardly any convection, not really a warm core tropical system. It's technically subtropical storm Karen. This thing fizzles out tonight. It's pure junk. I mean, it means nothing. Now, Jerry is still having a hard time. The outflow is restricted on the western side. So there's some shear going on here. The top winds are 50 miles an hour. This thing weakened last night. And again, the Hurricane Center now expecting Jerry to stay under hurricane strength for its life cycle. It becomes post-tropical by Wednesday morning of next week in the middle of nowhere. So again today, no tropical storms, no hurricanes for the Gulf, at least for the next 7 to 10 days. So model fans, let's go. European, 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, the 12Z run. That upper low is forming near Jacksonville, Florida, and we are on the backside, the subsidence side, sinking air, which means it should be a beautiful day. We're going to start the day with temperatures well down in the 50s in most spots, maybe a few upper 40s in North Alabama. Highs tomorrow around 80, North Alabama, low 80s for the southern counties of the state. High resolution HER tomorrow evening, nothing. Sunday, once again, the morning's going to be cool. We'll see some upper 40s over North Alabama, but the high will be around 80, low humidity. And next week, dry. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I promise we're showing you different maps. They just look the same. And this is a week from today, Friday the 17th. Got a ridge in place. And next week will be warm. Highs go back in the mid-80s on many days. And again, with that ridge, we're still dry. So let's go out 10 days. This is Monday, October 20th. Look at here, a trough over the Great Plains states. And just maybe that'll beat down the ridge and bring some rain in here. Again, this is valid Monday, October 20th. The European depicting a band of showers and storms coming in advance of the trough. So signals in modeling that we might have a decent chance of some rain about 10 days from now. Here's rain for the next 15 days off the European ensemble. The mean coming up a little bit. It's now between 1/2 and 1 inch between now and the 25th of October. Temperatures coming off the national blend of models. Highs around 80 tomorrow and Sunday, then mid-80s for much of next week. But again, nights will be pleasant, with lows in the 50s on many mornings. And just in, the latest long-range guidance. This is October 18th through October 24th. Still in the red. Temperatures above average. Again, I'm telling you, the pattern will flip. It always does, but looks like if you really want a big rush of really good cool air, it might be early November. We'll see. Let's roll the Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. Ooh, 6th graders today. Those guys can soak up the science. Weaver Elementary School in Calhoun County. Had a great time today. And let me tell you what, this cake's got a good message. You got to respect that polygon when the weather gets bad. But we talked about convection, how thunderstorms are formed. Talked about lightning safety, tornadoes, hurricanes, did some storm spotting, much more. Great group today. So again, to all of these 6th graders at Weaver Elementary School, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. You know, you guys are looking good. So soon I will be at McAdory High School. The game of the week this week, Friday night rivals, Hueytown at McAdory. Looking forward to that. Tomorrow, going to be on the campus of the University of North Alabama. Be speaking at 1. The football game's at 3. And Sunday evening, I'll be at Lexington Methodist Church back up in Lauderdale County. Looking forward to that. And again, I'll be on ABC 3340 News this evening, 4, 5, 6 o'clock, live from McAdory High School. And you can catch my forecast daily on wonderful radio stations across Alabama, including Birmingham, 104.7 WZZK. Thanks for watching. Have a marvelous weekend, and God bless.